Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna do some transforming of my clothes. If you saw my all-nighter video, you know that I'm slowly getting back into sewing again. And since I have a whole pile of clothes, which I definitely do see some potential in, I thought that if I can transform some of the clothes that I currently have, it would be a huge save. Let me just show you what some of the clothes look like before. So this is the first piece. I'm thinking of cropping it. This could be like a tube top, honestly. Interesting. We'll see what we can do with that. Here is what it looks like. So now it's time to sew the edges. So what I do is I invert it. I kind of fold it inwards. So I'm gonna start pinning around the edges of the shirt. So I have pinned the edges and I'm gonna start sewing now. Now I'm just gonna do the same to the tube top. I didn't manage to get that lettuce hem ruffly effect that I wanted. I am a beginner, so it's a journey. It's a journey. I'm just glad that I managed to sew the hem at least. I'm just gonna continue doing that with the tube top, the mini tube top. I'm folding it about an inch, not too much. And that is how it looks. It's so small, but cool. This is what the crop top looks like now. Hi, welcome to my toilet. So I'm using a combination of these two acrylic colors to dye this. I saw this method of dyeing somewhere on YouTube, and I'll put a link in the description bar below because I mean, give credit where it's due. I don't have any fabric medium, so I'm just gonna use the acrylic as it is. I'll probably put a 1:1 ratio and we'll see how much water is needed. I'm just eyeballing it, honestly. Now I'm gonna alter this cardigan top. I'm thinking of cropping it again. I'll try it on just so that you can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I'm thinking of cropping it to right after the 4th button so that it looks something like this. This is what it looks like now. Honestly, I don't think I have to sew it. This is how the cardigan looks like now. I think it's pretty cute. So it's the next day and the weather is so hot, but here is what it looks like. You know, I said I was going for red, but it turned out to be this kind of lilac lavender color, which I'm not mad about, but it is pretty messy. Like you can see blotches of red and it kind of looks tie-dye. But that's just me trying to reassure myself and make myself feel better. It was fun, it was fun. So that is that for this spaghetti strap top. And also this cardigan top, which was really not that hard to do. All I did was cut it, but goes to show how much just a simple snip can do to a piece of clothing. And the next and final piece that I'm gonna alter is this sweatpants. It is 3/4, which is honestly not really my style, so I'm thinking of converting it into shorts instead. So let's go. So first things first, I need to cut it. This is what it looks like now. It is a bit long, but that's because I'm gonna fold it. I used to have gray shorts that look like this, but I don't know where it went, so this is gonna be my replacement, I suppose. And it already looks better now that it's folded. I think I'll just sew this edge so that it does stay in place. And there we go. Let's try it out. And it's definitely pretty comfy, and I can see myself wearing this in my dorm room or something, so that's good. It is a bit long. It's not very fashionable looking, but it's not something that I would wear out. It's more of just loungewear. This video was fun to do. I'm glad that the sewing machine and I got to know each other a bit better. And I guess that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!